co-captains Liam Wright and Tate McDermott lead them out, 5th on the ladder and guaranteed a spot in the top 8 playoffs. So the focus is now on maintaining momentum and building into the business end. Going for 3 wins on the trot after victories over the Rebels in Brisbane and the Crusaders. And it's going to be the Fijian Drua to get us underway at HFC Stadium.
Good.
As the sun comes out in Suva. Early mistake and picked up brilliantly. So
You're okay.
early. Akanavati goes to the back, finds the target, down to Koroboli, Armstrong, Warabula, and Nonga hitting it up in midfield. Now they'll come back through Wonga. Good to see him back from his recent injury. Armstrong, Warabula, Marcy, Nalonga. Oops! Joe Sessi just manages to hold on. Expect plenty of carries from Ilya Danakavata. Good clean out by the Drua. Armstrong, Rabula, Salawa getting through. Salawa! Oh, and then loses it 1 metre out from the line. And he might have been trying to release the ball so he can pick it up and go again.
What about the footwork on Salawa? He's done all the hard work, being able to get his head and shoulders through that contact.
They might have seen something. Might have tripped him here.
We're just having a look at trip at Suliasi Vunivalu.
Just Jeremy's here picked up a possible trip by the Reds player.
Was Vunivalu the last defender? Would he have scored without the trip?
Yeah, mate. So my view is that a probable try would have been scored but for the actions of 14. My view is that a probable try would have been scored but for the actions of 14. Does anyone have anything to add to that? Okay.
Nothing more to add.
14. 14.
Yellow card to the Reds.
And a penalty try.
Penalty try. Automatic 7. What a start. Drua in front of their passionate home fans again. So wingers looking to get involved. There's a little kick through and it falls nicely for Connie Owanga. 6 or 7 metres out. Can they get it out wide? They don't have to because they're going to go the direct route. And over goes Tavita Ikalavati. Second try already to the Fijian Drua. Oh, too big and too strong. I think there was a bit of footwork in there as well.
There definitely was. All these forwards are just showing their absolute skill.
And Hughes.
McDermott. Goes to the air. Momo.
Backwards.
Closes it backwards and it's been cleaned up. Good work by the Reds. So right now out to Paisami. Eyes up and you can see that there was an opportunity, some space out the back. And it didn't really work out. The clearance wasn't a good one from the Drua. So now here's the opportunity for the Reds to hit back. Longor.
Yep.
The arm goes out. Advantage there for the Reds. Right with a rumble. Rabbi. Drua. They went hard at Penny Rabbi to try and get his signature. But he decided to go to the Reds instead. Now the kick across and Aubrey is in the corner. Oh, perfect kick. And Floyd Aubrey, his first start in the famous Queensland Reds jersey. And he's in for a try.
First man.
That's a well-worked try from the Queensland Reds. It just comes off the back of Hunter Paisami's vision to be able to plug that corner we spoke about.
From out wide, and this one looking good. It is over. So a nice hit back with a man in the bin by the Reds, and it all came from that poor clearance out of their own red zone by the Drua.
He did well to finish there, Aubrey. Outstanding work to hold his width on the wing. Eyes on the ball. Dives in the corner and a much-needed hit back for the Queensland Reds.
He's been really impressive with his form at club level with GPS and the Queensland Premiership rugby down there. So gets awarded today.
Yeah, what a way to start your first start in the Queensland jersey. But then the attacking team gives away the penalty. Holding on is a call. John Bright, the new number 8. I think that pointed straight away to the sticks. Glenn Jackson, the attack and kicking coach, running out with the tee, the kicking tee for Armstrong Rabula. Have a look at it here. That man Salawa over the ball again.
He's having a wow of a game so far. You just see the body position that he is in to be able to make that jackal. Nice wide base. Holding his weight, getting under that ball. He's playing outstanding in his first half so far.
20 seconds.
Armstrong Rabula just to the right of the sticks. And it's over. One other. It's a good take from Smith. Nice Sami, the crowd love that. They love a collision. McDermott can't get away from Wonga.
Not on the ball. Leave it. Advantage.
Advantage now.
Not on the ball. Slowing it down.
Slowing down the call, and so Robbo goes to ground. McDermott and Campbell, Paisami, Crichton, Annan. Here's Wunawalu up to the 22.
Push,
Red's
push.
putting it through the hands. Now it's Wright giving it to Bryant. Crichton throws and goes, stepping. Oh, brilliant try. Individual magic there from Lawson Crichton. Right under the black dot. 15-12 kick to come.
Outstanding work from Lawson Crichton to be able to back himself. You can see with the Drua in their defensive system, they're not really getting around the corner fast enough. And as they're coming off the line, it's a little bit slow. Hips are facing towards the sideline. And we just saw Thanakavata just create that little seam for Lawson Crichton to go straight through and straight under the post.
I've been really impressed with Lawson Crichton, the way he plays his game and he's direct. He's a solid 10. As you can see there, he just seen the prop there, one-on-one. You're always going to win. And
How long, boys? A minute.
Gets that 5 points.
Yeah. Go. What's our game time, BC? There's no clock down here. Go.
Plenty of talk going on in the huddle at the Drua.
I've got 25 gone. Yeah.
Referee just looking around the grounds for a game clock.
Let's try and get eyes on the clock.
Wonga at the back, and now it's there for a Nongor, and here's Tate McDermott for the Reds, kicking. Armstrong Rabula getting back there. Draws Sessi. Armstrong Rabula. Short ball.
Advantage.
Advantage is being played here as
Slowing it down.
it's charged down.
Still playing advantage.
Bravo Talmunda and Marcy. Nothing happening there, so it's a
12.
penalty. Valentini moves in. He's got the distance. What's the angle like? It's good. It's over. Very timely indeed. Will that be crucial in the end? The crowd applauding it.
I think plenty of tempo still. I think keep playing, keep testing them across the field, make them work hard, make them make tackles, and a bit of composure when we've got the ball out on those edges.
Awesome, mate. Go well in the second half.
Outside.
Cheers.
And again it falls for the Drua. Armstrong Rabula, Salawa, Valentini, Marcy, Sessi up from fullback. Canavetti takes a direct route again. For a volley inside ball. Ravu Taumunda stepping. Can he go on his own? Can he do it himself? He's pulled out about 1 metre out. They look to go left, but the advantage goes out. Slowing the ball down, the Queenstown Reds. Here's a Canavetti. Has he got a double? The hand goes up and it is a try. He's got a double. But you can put that one down to Celestino Ravu Taumunda. Stepping and stepping and stepping.
Ravu Talmanda, take a bow.
Yeah, so the try's been scored. It's before the try, so we just restart play as normal.
Yeah, okay, but it's going to be a yellow card against 14.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Problems for Suliasi Vunivalu,
It's a trip.
the man from Suva. Second yellow, which becomes a red.
You're up front.
5 metres, but they haven't been able to get over the line.
But the Reds are not going away.
Yep.
So again, Blake has it at the back and they start to rumble. This time they're staying away from the sideline. It stopped once.
Stay on 20.
Still going. Blake. There's a try. A try to the Queensland Reds. It had to come eventually. And it is George Blake, the replacement hooker, that gets it.
That's great patience from George Blake. He's learned from the last maul. All you have to do is just stay connected at the back of that maul, and just slowly just work your way forward. Let the big man up front.
Stay back, you can't. You can't.
He had to take it quickly, and it's away. So, well, that's unfortunate for the youngster. The ball falling off the tee. So, it's still there
Lay on.
for the Reds, and Ravu Talmanda does well to stay in the field of play.
Advantage.
Another advantage coming up here. Tankeri having a run. Nasila delivers to Armstrong Rabula. Short ball. Marcy has gone without it, but it's going to come back. Armstrong Rabula. This one is heading towards the post. It's over. The game is over. The season is alive still for the Fijian Drua. Talk about pressure. They've done enough against a very gutsy Queensland Reds team. A lot of these players out on their feet at the moment. 18-14 at the break, 28-19. Full time. So the Reds will go away empty-handed, but their place in the top 8 is safe. The Drua, 1 down, 2 to go. They've got the Highlanders next Sunday in Dunedin, and then they're back to Lautoka to take on the Melbourne Rebels in the final round in a fortnight. Nemani Nandolo, proud flying Fijian. What do you make of that?